How's it going, everyone? Brand new day, brand new week, brand new month. In my last video, I did talk about me upping my position size to 3 contracts instead of 2 because we did all right for the last month. And it's the first. It's Monday, 7/1/2024. So I already got a pre-recorded video. And today was a weird day, man. Like, first day of position sizing up. It was just a whack trade, and I'll explain in this voice recording while I'm going over this video that's already edited. So I'm going to click play.
Order filled.
So order filled right here. I set my stop. Let me skip through it a little bit.
Order submitted.
So right here, I'm going to pause it right here. Look how close I am to my profit target from where I got in. Ridiculous, right? But that's how I trade. Those are my rules. I got in late. My fault. Should I just let the trade run? 100%. But I didn't do that. Nothing's perfect in trading. So let me skip through it a little bit. So now we're in profit. And we're hitting it. We finally get filled. And right here, I was going to put my last contract at break even, but I was too slow. And I put a sell limit on accident instead of a buy. But I had my finger on the trigger ready to close, because if I already had my last contract at break even, I would have gotten stopped out instantly. Crazy. That was literally the whole trade. That was it. And let me skip forward a little bit to show you why I got punched in the gut today by the market and why I'm kind of down on that. Because look, we just start dropping crazy. That would have been an insane day to start the week off. We would have been, I don't even know. I can't even say a number. I don't know. So I made a new zone and waited for it to retest. And the video ends here. And I waited for the new zone to get tested, but I'm at work, so I couldn't wait that long, man. So $85. It's good to start the week off green. So let's get a good day tomorrow. And yeah, hope everyone has a good day and night. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Tuesday.